So, go. So now we're going to see what happens when sea ice melts. So we've been forming quite a bit of sea ice. The sea ice should ideally be fresher than the water it formed from, though it probably contains a little bit of salt. We're going to pour it on our Antarctic Ocean to simulate the melt and breakup of sea ice during the austral summer. This is by no means perfect, but will be interesting all the same. And we're also going to be doing a hosing experiment where we take fresh water melting off ice sheets like Greenland and other high latitude glaciers and going into the ocean, simulated with this yellow here, and pour it on the surface of our ocean. Right now we have a beautiful little downward going thermohaline plume associated with sea ice formation. Actually, the best way to kick this in high gear is to... So, as glaciers melt, they release fresh water, fairly cold fresh water in the ocean. Let's watch what happens here. And this cold fresh water typically stays on the surface of the ocean. Actually, let's add a little more of it just for fun and games. We have no shortage of this cold sort of fresh water. It's turning a little green, but that's okay. Like Kermit the Frog. If you get a thick enough layer, watch what happens when now we try to form sea ice on this, and what happens to the brine rejected, to the, what happens to the downgoing water now when we have this fresh water at the surface that's associated with the melting of large ice masses like Greenland and other large ice sheets that drain in. There we go. Watch if this plume, what we're going to do is come back in a minute or so and see if this plume makes it all the way to the bottom or not. That's it. Yep.